Why does nutrition still matter alongside treatment? GLP-1 treatments reduce appetite and make it easier to eat less, but they don't work alone. It's vital to build proper nutritional habits while taking a GLP-1. Because you're eating less, every mouthful matters. Your body needs the right balance of nutrients, including protein and fiber, and lots of water. This not only helps the treatment be more effective, but also provides a much stronger foundation for when you finish the medication. When people stop treatment, weight regain can occur if habits have not been built alongside the medication. The treatment creates a window to make change. What you do with that window, the nutritional planning, the movement, the daily accountability is what determines whether the results will last. That's why every CheqUp member has a dedicated health coach and why we never talk about medication as a solution on its own.